How you all doing? Welcome back. So today we are on our day 3. Extremely small. They're very tiny. You know, most of the time we use the bigger brick, the max brick. So right now it looks like we're not even getting anywhere on our day 3. So we already done 2 days and now is our day 3. Today we're hopefully we can work to finish off the back section here. Okay guys, no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before I jump into the video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up, just so that the algorithm may recognize the video and share it with others so they may learn and view from it. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so when I continue on with the other video, you get notified and you can come back. Let's dive right into it. Lay some bricks. You know, as always, your boy Ryan gonna give you all the tips that you need in order to do this yourself. Let's dive into it. Martha up on the board, Martha up on the board. Once you put up the board, you put Martha up on the brother. Wait till we have tape. The seat up guys, so I watch it splashing, because look how you mess up all of them the brick side of Martha board just because you splashing. What do you mean? And then you have to put in there, you don't want to rub them to clean them properly.
One corner bracket there, one have it two. See there sir, alright. See right in front of you, a corner bracket there. Yeah, yeah man, bracket, yeah.
Maybe we just go 3 man, just continue with 3. Oh man, just kind of over here to height. Just try that a little higher. We just go continue with the 3 and done. Sanjay, wind off the post off our wall when you get a chance to me there. Back one you want to wind off, it come in from the wall too much. That one go down or wind up in front. Alright.
You know, look, one small 3/4 plank well there. Look at this piece you can find. The smallest piece of 3/4 plank.
No 3/4.
No, look. Smallest piece.
So guys, meet Papa. That's the man that you guys gonna learn to how to lay brick from. You don't listen guys. So guys, meet James, popular known as Papa. Today we're gonna go through his way of laying bricks. In my opinion, he lay bricks a bit different from the way how me, Green or Sheldon lay bricks. One thing that I like, he lay bricks. Some of the stuff that he do I like, some of the stuff that he does I like, some I don't. And as we go in the video, I will explain to you guys some of the stuff that I wouldn't do the way he do it. But as we go, I'll explain to you all. Even the way how he spread the mortar is different from the way how I spread the mortar. Right now, the way he's spreading the mortar right now is okay in my opinion, but he have a way how he spread the mortar that's gonna come up later on in the video that I am not approve of. I don't like it and I always complain about it because in my opinion it make a mess over the bricks, and as we go in the video I point that out as we go, so that way you can avoid doing it that way. I like the way he buttered the bricks there a while ago, and I also like the way he cut the mortar from the brick. As you see, he used the point of the trowel and he put the point of the trowel right in the joint, so that way prevent the mortar from spreading over the brick. Because here we're using a federal white cement mixed with type and all-purpose sand, and this mortar here, it easily can make a mess because as you see, it's more on the white side, so whenever it go over the brick, if it touch the brick, it make a stain. So we're trying to avoid touching the bricks as much as we can with this mortar. So once we complete one course, we move the line up on both ends. He's moving his line up one and I'm moving my line up one. Right now we're working number 3 on our tape. What we did to know what number we need to work, we measure our window or our door in order to determine the number you need to work in order to reach up to your window. I have several videos where I explain that. I can link one for you guys so you know how to work out to run your line like you see we're doing here. So one thing that he did here, as you see, start the brick right at the edge there. I wouldn't start the brick like that. I would start the brick right where the corner post is. I would lay that brick first, and then afterwards I lay the one that he start right here at the corner. But to each their own. It's not a mistake, it's not a problem, but I don't like to do it like that, because sometimes when you do it like that, after you go to lay your next brick, that's gonna turn in towards the wall where you see the corner post here. The joint tend to be more bigger than what the other joint, the other size joint usually are if you don't really know what you're doing. So you always want to try and lay the bricks that turn in the other direction rather than do it the way he did the first brick that he laid there. So here, as you see, you have to move back a few of the bricks. One way to prevent doing that, you want to always stand over your brick so that way you can match your brick that you're laying with the previous one underneath, so that way you have a consistent looking joint going up as you go. So this mortar dry pretty fast. So as you see here, once we lay 3 or 4 courses, we go ahead and we joint the wall so that way it's not too hard for us, and then it's gonna put a pain on your wrist to joint the mortar. Here's something that I find out as we go. Using the wire brush is make our life a little bit easier. We use the wire brush before we go ahead and use the carpet. Here James is using a piece of carpet, but before that we use the wire brush to remove whatever mark is on our bricks. So here we finish all the marks on the posts. James is making some new marks now. Earlier I said to you guys I don't like the way how James spread the mortar. So this is basically what I was talking about here. Sometimes the way how we spread it, you don't part the middle. As you see, sometimes we part the middle and we cut the excessive mortar from the front and also the back, so that way we prevent the mortar from going in the cavity of the wall. So I argue with him a lot about this, and it's also helped the mortar from spill over and mess up the wall as well. So it's very important to part the middle and clear the excessive mortar from it before you go on. Guys, if you get involved from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That's all I ask from you guys for making these contents. much a new year, so I want to say happy new year to all my viewers and my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support, the love over the years from the start. Really appreciate it. And I'm thinking to start some giveaway. If you guys know what I'm still trying to figure out what I should, had as a giveaway, just to say thanks. If you guys have any idea, you can feel free to leave them in the comment section as well. Ideas of gift that you think I could, we're a family here. We're doing this as a team, so you're welcome to share your opinion and and your thought and whatever you think that I should go with. And we're gonna figure a way how we're gonna set it up so that the viewers and subscribers can win the gifts. And it's also gonna be, definitely you're gonna have to be a part of the team where you have to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever we start the giveaway, you can be a part of that as well. Here James is just doing some joints now. Like I said earlier, 3-4 courses we want to do the joints because this motor hard up pretty quick, and it's easier as well to clean it up because it's not the best brick to work with, or I should say the best mortar to work with, because it spill all over the